Hey there, viewers, and welcome back. We're gonna put the starter in here today. Should be a quick 2-step, maybe 3 process. Let's see, we're gonna use a 14 millimeter and we're just gonna slide her in. Not pinch the charging cable, very important. We are gonna need to get an extension just because the bolts are way back there. So should be able to gently run those down without cross-threading anybody. Torque them down. There you go. Everything looks nice. Probably test that a little bit later, but there's really no adjustment whatsoever, no shimming, anything like that you can do on this starter. So kind of is what it is, folks. Thanks for watching.